all glory and praises to the Most High, my Father. Blessed be my Father for all things that are done by my Father. Glory be to my Father. All praises to the Most High and glory to the Most High. King, Lord, Lord, King. All praises, all glory. Thank you, Father, for all things. Thank you, Father, for blessing me with blessing food. Thank you, Father, for blessing me with the power. Thank you, Father, for this food that I do.